Hello everyone, this is Tripti, your German language trainer. So in today's session, we are going to learn alphabets in German, basically their phonetic sounds in German. So let's start. And you can also see here English, the German words and with their English translations with the English meanings. Okay, let's start. First of all, we have A. This will give the sound of A. This is A, double A. So this is Apfel, not Apfel. This is Apfel. So it means apple. And next is B gives a sound of bay. This is bal. A gives a sound of a. So this is bal, not ball. But in English, this is ball. And this is say. So this is couch, but this will read out as couch. So this is couch in English. And D gives a sound of day. This is Deutsch. This is Deutsch. Basically, German language in German is called as Deutsch. So this is Deutsch. Basically, it means is German. E gives a sound of A. This is A. So this is I. EI will read out as I. So this means egg. F gives a sound of F. This is the same. So this is falsch. Falsch. So this means wrong in German. In English, this is wrong. Falsch is in German. And G gives a sound of gay. This is grass. Spelling is a bit different, but the pronunciation is same. This is grass. And English, this is with double S. This is grass. So H gives a sound of ha. This is ha. Hund. This is hund. So this means dog. And I gives a sound of a. This is e. E. So this will read out as ish. This is ich is ish, which means I. Then yeah, we have J gives a sound of yacht. Yacht means ear. Whenever there is J written in the words in German, then you have to read out as ear. That means, for instance, like JA is not ja. This is ya. This will ya. So this means yes. K is ka. Katze. This is katze. This means cat. L. This is same as English. So this is L. This is limonade. This will read out as limonade. That means lemonade. M gives a sound of M. This is the same as English. So this is mouse, and spelling is different, but the pronunciation is same. Again, this is mouse in English. N is same as English. This is N. Gives a sound of N. So this is neu. This is neu. This is an adjective here. This means new. O, this is O, same as English. This is uncle, uncle in German, and uncle in English. P gives a sound of pay. This is pay. This is party, party. So same as in English. This is party. Okay. Q gives a sound of ku. This is ku. So this is quiz, quiz. This is quiz in German. Quiz in English, and this is quiz in German. The R gives a sound of air. This is air. So this is rosa, same as English. This is rosa. This means pink, pink color. S gives a sound of same as English. This is S. This is zomer. Zomer. The basically this gives we will read it out as z. Z S. So this is zomer, not somer. Zomer. And in English, this is summer. Okay, T gives a sound of T. This is similar to English. This is ch. So this is tanto, tanto. So in English, this is aunt. U gives a sound of oo. This is oo. So basically this will read out as oor, oor. So this means cloak. And V gives a sound of fow. Fow means fur. That means whenever as similar to J, whenever J is written, you have to read out as year. So similarly with V, whenever you have to, you will see the word written with V, that means you have to read out as fear, like for. So, for instance, for example, here, this is VIER means this is fear, not wear, this is fear. We will read out as fear. So, this means four. Number four, which is called in German is fear. Okay. Then we have W. W gives a sound of way. This is way, similar to English, the verb. So Wurst, this is Wurst. U gives a sound of oo. So this is not Wurst, this is Wurst. Wurst. So this means sausage. X gives the sound of X, similar to English. That is X. So this is xylophone. Xylophone. This is not xylophone. We are the pronunciation of Y is U. You will see in the next one. So this is xylophone, not xylophone. Xylophone in German, and this is xylophone in English. Then Y is, we have epsilon. Epsilon gives a sound of U. That Y gives a sound of U. That means yak. Basically, this is well pronounced as yak only because we have A here. So this is yak, yak, and in English also yak. Okay. Then we have Z. Z as S gives a sound of Z, Z, but Z gives a sound of S. So means T S, T S. Small in Hindi like half ta, adha ta, then sa, then sa. So this is set. Basically set. So this is sight, not sight. This is sight. Okay. Basically, which means time in English. And so these were the 26 alphabets as similar to English we have in English. So in German we have 4 more alphabets, as you can see here. These two as you can see here, our above this U, O, and A, you can see 2 dots here. With these 2 dots are called as umlaut. So basically this is U umlaut, and this is O umlaut, this is A umlaut. Okay, so we will call it as U umlaut, O umlaut, A umlaut. Only these 3 alphabets in German have these 2 dots, which is called umlauts. Okay, now let's move to U umlaut. This will give the sound of U. U, not U gives the, only U gives the sound of U, but U umlaut gives the sound of U. For instance, for example, we have U umlaut BER. So we will read it out as Uber, not Uber. This is Uber. Uber. Basically, this is a preposition here, about, on, at. So you will learn these prepositions later on. But for the time being, we will read it out as Uber. Uber. And instead of U umlaut, you can also write it as UE. UE, but always prefer to write with these 2 umlauts only. But in the typing, for instance, in the just to avoid typing errors, so if your 2 dots are not available, so you can write with UE. But instead of this, please prefer to write U with 2 dots only, like these umlauts, with these umlauts. Okay, next is we have O umlaut. This will give the sound of yo, yo, not O only, yo. So this is eol, eol. So this means oil in English. And similar to UE, you can write also O umlaut with OE. Okay, but again I'm repeating, prefer to write always O umlauts with these 2 dots. Okay, umlauts with these 2 dots only. Okay, A umlaut is gives the sound of EA. EA, like we have here A umlaut RZTIN. So this will read out as Edson, Edson. Okay, this is not R, this is A. Edson. So this is a female doctor here. The female doctor is called Edson in German. Okay, then again similar to OEUE, so you can also write A umlaut as OAE, A umlaut as AE. Okay, then the last one here we have asset sign. Asset sign, basically this is beta. You can see in the mathematics also this is beta. So this is asset sign. Asset sign is we use asset sign instead of double S in German. Not always, not in every word, but in the many words. So for instance, for example, I have written here SPA asset. That means this is double S here. So basically the spelling of this would be so SPA double S. Instead of asset, we can write double S, but don't write these with double S, because in many words asset only asset is used, right? So SPA double S, this is the double S here. So SPA beta, sorry, this is asset sign here. So this is called this means fun in German. This will the meaning of this is fun in English. So basically, this will read out as Spaß. Spaß. Double S is also so. So this is Spaß. So for instance, I'm just telling you one more thing here. So SP, whenever you see SP or SC, words. So like this is spas, not spas. This is spas, not spas. Like S gives the sound of z, not spas. This is spas. SP and ST gives the sound of sh. This is sh. So this is spas, right? So for instance, I have also written here STUDIEREN. So this is not studieren, not. This is studieren. So SP and ST words always gives the sound of starting with sh. This is st, sp, and st. Okay. And studieren means this is study. Okay. So hopefully you have learned these